With holiday festivities now in full swing, Americans tonight are celebrating a return toward normalcy from the pandemic. But the CDC is warning the population about a rise in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations. It now forecasts the U.S. death toll from the virus will surpass 800,000 by mid-December. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze has the latest from Washington in our top story at 5.
This Thanksgiving, a welcome return to pre-pandemic traditions. Crowds lining the streets of New York City, cheering the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Everyone's masked. I'm vaccinated. We feel safe, and it's great to have starting to get things back.
But amid the celebrations, a concerning trend in COVID infections and hospitalizations. Daily new COVID cases are rising by 10% or more in 35 states, with hospital admissions climbing in nearly half of the country.
We have a half dozen ICU patients that are waiting for beds and don't have beds for them yet.
In hard-hit states like Michigan and Minnesota, governors are turning to federal staff to help ease overburdened hospitals.
I asked point blank, you've been at this for 20 months, how does it feel now? And without a doubt, every one of them said it's worse now than it's been.
Top health officials say unvaccinated Americans are the main factor behind the rise in cases and hospitalizations. Also to blame, increased travel, looser restrictions, colder weather causing people to gather indoors, and waning protection from the vaccine. Dr. Anthony Fauci on CNN urging unvaccinated Americans to get their shots and telling those who are vaccinated to get boosted.
The data that we're getting is extremely encouraging that the protection that you begin to lose as the months go by is dramatically enhanced by boosters.
If you're spending time with family or friends who are unvaccinated or immunocompromised, the CDC recommends wearing a mask, getting tested, and considering gathering outdoors. Elizabeth Schulze, ABC News, Washington.